What's up, BB gang? It's your girl Shy Money in the building, y'all. Okay, anyways, let's get on to what I'm about to tell y'all. Guys, I'm about to pull a prank on Javon. Right now, he is going to take his mom to work. He will be back in like a couple of minutes, so I gotta hurry up and get this prank started. As y'all can see, I'm gonna be doing the vomiting prank on boyfriend. So guys, I'm gonna act like I'm sick. When he came in from his pickups, I was laying in the bed, like, you know, looking all so that kind of gave him an idea, and he was trying to feed me some chicken. Y'all know I love chicken. Y'all know my favorite food is fried chicken, but I told him I didn't want any, you know, stuff like that. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go in the kitchen. I'm just about to get a bunch of stuff and like put it together and blend it up in the blender, and we're just gonna make some type of concoction. So y'all, let's go straight into the kitchen right now. We ain't got no time to waste at all, so I'm about to go straight into the kitchen right now. Okay, so I came in the kitchen. Shoot, the radio's up. I don't know how to turn it down, but I'm in the kitchen, and his mom already made something in the blender right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get a cup, and I'm gonna put some of that in a cup, and then I'm gonna get something else, pour some in a cup, and I'm gonna put it on the side, like right down here on the side of my wig head, so he don't see it. So yeah, prop the camera up, put the drink on the side of me, and I'm just gonna, whenever he comes in the door, I'm just going to be laying down, feeling sick and stuff, and hopefully we get a good reaction out of him, y'all. I'm so like hyped. So let me go ahead and prop the camera up right now, and we're gonna get this prank started. So just as soon as he come back, we're gonna get it started. Put Shy Money, Team Shy Money in the comment section right now, guys, because y'all know I'm gonna get him real good, because y'all know Javon is dramatic, and I'm gonna get him really good. Alright, we begin. Javon is downstairs. I just texted him and told him, babe, I don't feel good. He said, alright, I'm downstairs, I'm coming up. So yeah, guys, I know it's kind of dark. It's okay, it's all right, it's gonna lighten up. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna hop into the bed right now, and then I'm going to wait for him to come up. So here we go. Prank time, prank time.
Did you finish editing the video? Go before you reach. Go before you reach.
Stop.
Why you stop? Huh? Give me your finger. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Stomach hurt.
You want to smell this? You want to smell this? You take some pills or something? You took some pills?
Maybe I have anything on your stomach.
They say pain relief.
You could do so.
Ow!
Pain. What's the name?
No!
Oh shit, no problem.
Oh my god, you're horrible.
Let me rub my belly. Rub your belly. Rub your belly. Rub your belly.
Bang bang! No!
Bro, here's some pill. Here's some juice.
Ow!
Come on, take some.
That hurt.
Take some of the pill then.
Javon, that's for like headaches and stuff. I don't have a headache.
It's a pain reliever.
I don't have a headache.
Pain. This is pain.
I know, but it's like, I don't know. It's not pain like, it's pain like I got a vomit or something.
Come on, let's go see. Come see the toilet then. I don't know.
I just wanna,
You don't want to touch you. You don't want to give me a pill. You don't want to get to the doctor. Then what you want me to do?
I just wanna lay here.
You ain't heard loud so you can sleep or something?
Lay here.
What you want me to lay up here for? Why
Cause,
me laying down gonna help?
just help, just lay here.
Look, what you want me to do? He said lay down, lay down. You still making noise.
Babe.
I'm for that. I don't know what you want me to do.
I don't know.
You want to call your mom or something?
No, she's too far.
What you want to do?
What?
Babe, what you did that for? Bro, I'm asking if you want to use the resting and keep saying no.
Babe, I told you I just had to vomit. I didn't feel good. Can you come get this?
Get one.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Here. Put too much like this. Buy me some more. Buy me some more. Buy me some more. Come buy me shirt, brother.
Babe, can you give me a napkin?
Put that piece over there.
My face is
Go over
open.
the bed. Go over the bed. Get up off the bed. Get up off the bed.
Javon.
Get off of the bed. No. Get off the bed.
Babe,
No.
what you want me to do?
Get off the bed, bro. Get off the bed. Get off the bed.
What you want me to do?
Get off the bed, man. Bro, on the sheet? I just watched this.
I'm sorry.
Bro, I'm asking you all this time. You put this arresting me. You stay in the bed. You know you're going to bum me. You still bum me. Bro, tell this shit in the toilet, bro.
Man, I'm sorry.
No. You don't sit down. You go over there and sit on the toilet. Open your mouth, bro. Yeah.
Babe,
Take the pill, man. Take the pill and drink the juice. See if you feel better or
I
something.
don't need that.
What you need then? I'm on the floor. You think I say I'm on long?
Man, I don't know what you're saying.
Babe, why you...
I'm sorry.
Well, I'm asking you the whole time. You want to listen, you keep saying no.
Okay, can you just give me some water?
What's wrong with that?
I don't want that. I just need some water. I need to hydrate myself. Please. Give me a bottle.
Bro, what the... Oh
I'm
my
sorry.
Another one.
Here. Babe, don't vomit again, bro. Stop playing, bro. Here. Babe, come on, man. Stop, man. Come on, bro.
I'm
No,
sorry.
come on, man. Go to the restroom, man.
Babe.
Go to the restroom, man. No, go to the restroom, man. Ew. Bro, babe, come on, man.
Babe, I'm sorry. You supposed to love me through all my flaws. I'm sorry.
Go in the stay in the restroom. Why are you coming out for?
Because it's, babe, no.
It's caused nothing. Go in the restroom.
No.
Here, the water. Here, sit up by the toilet. Here.
No, they got vomit on it.
Shit, you lay inside. You better drink it.
Babe.
You got me. Move from behind me, man. You got me sticky, bro.
I just want to lay down.
No. No, don't lay down. Don't lay down. Don't lay down.
Please.
You got me being hard as shit, man. I ain't signed for this, bro.
Babe, can you go close the door and run me a shower?
What?
Can you run me a shower? So I can take a shower. I got vomit on me.
Go in the restroom.
Babe, can
Lock the door yourself.
you run me a shower?
Run you a shower?
Yes.
I'm going to run you a shower. I'm not running you a shower. The shower run itself. You just turn it on and water come out.
Babe, can you do it for me? Jesus, why you got me everything so difficult? Did you close the other door?
Another one.
It's closed. Babe, come on, man. Don't stay in the bed. Don't puke no more, bro. Babe, come on. Babe, come on. Babe, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Don't go no more. Like, for real. Like, come on. He's making the room more sticky. Come on. Come on. Come on, bro. Bags, don't.
Babe, you okay? Babe,
Don't come here, man.
babe, it's a prank.
Move from my move. I don't give a freak. It's a prank. Move, bro. Move, bro.
Babe, it's a prank. Babe, it's a prank. I'm sorry.
Move, man.
It's a prank, babe. Babe.
Hey, leave me alone,
Babe. Ooh, I got you good.
man. Look.
Babe, it's just a prank.
I don't care. Leave me alone, man.
What you mean? Babe, it's just a prank.
I don't care. Leave me alone, man. Leave me alone, bro.
What you mean?
This ain't funny, man.
What you mean? It got in your beard.
Move, bro.
I'm sorry. Brick palm brick. Brick palm brick palm brick. Yeah, I got him good. Got him 3 times. 3 times. 1, 2, 3 for the 3 times. You gonna learn today, baby. Babe.
Babe, clean the room, man.
What you mean clean the room?
Clean the room, bro. You let, what was that in your mouth, anyways?
Huh?
What was that in your mouth?
It was just a smoothie.
Babe, smoothie?
It was
Are you
just a,
serious?
it was just a smoothie.
Babe,
that-
get on the bed.
it was a smoothie that mommy made earlier. It's good too. Tastes like strawberry and banana.
Bro, come,
What?
that shit not cool, man.
What you mean?
You gonna have to wash all this now.
Watch out what? Where did it go?
Upon the bed, yes, look upon the bed. What do you mean by where it go? You blind?
Yeah, I'm blind. I got my glasses on.
Chuck.
Chuck.
Clean up this shit, bro.
Where did he go?
My youth. My youth.
Ooh.
Look on the bed.
I can't see up on the bed. Where?
You put on your glasses, you 4-eye freak, yo. And this I copy that you.
Yeah. It's just smoothie, babe. Look, if you pour it on me, you pour it on the camera. Stop, babe. I'm not playing. I don't know. Stop. It was just a prank. It was a prank. Stop. It was just a prank, Javon. Don't do it.
Lock off the camera.
No.
Lock it off.
No.
Lock it off.
I'm
Don't
not-
pour it in
No.
Lock it off. Lock it off.
Okay.
Lock it off.
Okay, I'm about to lock it off.
Lock it off.
I'm about to lock it off.
Lock it off. I'm trying to with my dumbness in their head.
Okay.
Go ahead, show. Go ahead.
No.
Go ahead, show.
Javon, stop.
Go ahead,
Y'all look at. Stop.
Go ahead, show. Come on.
No.
Dumbness in their head. Go ahead, show.
Babe. Okay.
Go ahead, show.
Stop.
Go ahead, show.
Yo. Oh shit.
Go
Javon.
ahead, show. My dumbness in their head.
No.
I'm saying feel.
Okay.
It's a joke.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm about to end the video right here. Javon is mad. I'll be mad too. Somebody vomit on me. I knocked the shit out of them. Alright y'all, Team Shaman in the comment section below. I got him real good on this one. Like real good. I didn't think I was gonna do it that many times. I was like, why not? I love you, babe. Alright guys, I'm about to end the video right here. Make sure y'all comment, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so y'all be notified when we post another video. We love y'all. Peace.